Your product design teams are under extreme pressure to deliver new product innovations to market in increasingly shorter timeframes and rarely have insight into the manufacturability of the products they design. This can lead to a variety of issues later in the process, such as increased manufacturing costs, lower factory throughput, and costly redesign. These can impact margins or delay product launch, but ultimately result in lost opportunities and lower revenues. Cost Insight Generate is a revolutionary new solution from aPriori. It provides a powerful capability to overcome these challenges without adding to the product designer's workload, freeing them to do what they do best: world-class design. Cost Insight Generate provides the analysis and proactive notification necessary to get your designs right early in the design process, maximizing profitability and increasing efficiency. So how does it work? For every design iteration checked into the PLM, Product Lifecycle Management environment, the manufacturing process is automatically simulated. Parts that have the most design-to-cost, design-for-manufacture issues are identified and the important cost drivers highlighted. A report containing the results of the analysis is captured in PLM and email notifications automatically sent to the relevant people. These reports and notifications include DTC scores as well as a list of issues. Design and manufacturing teams are taken directly to the manufacturing simulation, where they can visualize the problems and explore recommendations to improve the design for manufacturability and cost. Early detection of issues through automated manufacturing simulation lowers the cost and prevents late-stage engineering change orders, allowing you to focus on innovation and stay one step ahead of your competitors. Cost Insight Generate from aPriori. Explore the possible.